going to break down for you is a revolving door. So I'll face the same way as you. Remember, everything is based on just walking, and also, for the most part, they're based on just this basic step. Okay, walking, stepping, one foot goes and then the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you do a revolving door, think about just this basic. So basic right here, meaning your right foot touches the step first. Your revolving door is like doing two basics. So basic right, step up, turn left, step down. Same exact thing facing back. Basic right, step up, turn left, step down. Okay? Right, left. Usually you're turning away from your lead foot. So revolving door, basic right, turn left, step forward, basic right, turn left, step back. You can go right back into your basics without that turn. All right, let's do a couple more. We'll do it slow again, okay? Right, left, turn left, step forward, right, left. Same exact thing facing the back. Step with your right, step with your left, turn that way, and step down. If it helps, you can practice by extending the arm opposite of your lead foot. So if we're on a basic right, okay, your revolving door will have you keep turning left, okay? Basic right, turn left, step forward. Basic right, turn left, step back. One foot goes and then the other. Revolving door. Keep turning. Basic right, up, down, down. Good. Okay, so left lead, if you're going from a basic left, we'll go slow to start. Left, right foot steps, step down, turn right. Same exact thing. Step with your left, step with your right, turn right, step down. Okay, so just keep turning and just keep going one foot and then the other. 4, 3, 2, left lead, revolving door right here. Basic left, turn right, step forward. Basic left, turn right, step back. Up, down, down. 4, 3, 2, revolving door left. Let's do it again slow. Step with the left and the right, turn right, step down and forward. Step with the left and the right, turn right, step down and forward. Okay, let's do 2 more basics. Revolving door left lead, basic left, turn right, step forward, basic left, turn right, step back. All right, so hopefully that helps. We do that a lot. You can always substitute it for just 2 basics, up, down, down. All right, so that was our revolving door.